Hey guys, I'm Vongviset. Welcome back. We're here at the York Kitchen, and this week we're serving up for you New York Striploin on a bed of arugula. This is a paleo-friendly recipe. It consists of 562 calories. That's only 1 gram of carbs, 14 grams of fat, and a whopping 85 grams of protein. One thing you guys need to know about cooking steak is that it always needs to be room temperature. Otherwise, you're going to get the outside cooking way too quickly, and you're going to end up with a raw steak. All right, so let's get started. For this recipe, you're gonna need 10-ounce striploin steak, 1 cup of arugula, 1 teaspoon of olive oil, pinch of salt and pepper or desired steak spice. First, you're gonna apply a thin coating of olive oil to both sides of the steak. You're gonna rub in the steak seasoning. Preheat the skillet to high, smoking temperature. Add 1 teaspoon of olive oil to the skillet. Place the steak in and cook for about 3 to 5 minutes per side, flipping it only once. You're going to plate the arugula, creating a bed for the steak. Remove the steak from the pan and set it aside to rest the steak. Remove the skillet from the heat, add a ½ cup of water to the pan and deglaze. Slice the steak into 1/2-inch diagonal slices and rest it on top of the arugula. Lastly, you're going to take the deglazing from the pan and drizzle it over the steak. Well, that's it for this week, guys. Thanks again so much for watching, and don't forget to like and subscribe. And next week on Monday, we're going to have another healthy recipe for you. Time for me to eat this steak finally. So good. And a whopping 85%. Damn you! Percent! I'm sorry, I know. So that's it. Thanks again so much for watching, you guys. Don't forget to subscribe and blah, 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 blah. So that's it, guys. Thank you again so much for watching. We're gonna make sure you tune in.